Hey guys, we are back with our jam previous year question solving video series, and this is question number 2 in structural geology. And the question is that the thickness of a dipping coal bed measuring along a vertical drill hole is 15 meter. If the dip of the coal bed is 30°, the orthogonal thickness of the coal bed is dash meters. Okay, so what they are given us, they are mentioning about inclined formation, which is actually a coal seam. Okay, and its vertical thickness, that is, if a vertical borehole drills on an inclined formation, whatever thickness that is recovered in the core is called as a vertical thickness, right? So that vertical thickness is 15 meter, and we have to find out the orthogonal thickness, which is measured perpendicular to the bedding plane, which we used to call it as a true thickness. Okay, so let us just recall the basics, that if a formation is horizontal, the vertical thickness is equal to true thickness, but when the formation is inclined, as they mentioned here, it is 30°, then we have two different entity, that is a vertical thickness as well as the true thickness. So we have a vertical thickness value, and we have the dip of the formation, and we have to find the true thickness or the orthogonal thickness of that particular bed. Okay, that is what the question is. So let us try to solve this question. So let us consider these are the different formations. So we have here four type of formation. A rock type is dipping at almost 30°. Okay, and this black bed is, say, our coal seam, which is in our interest. Okay, so what they are given, the question is, they had made a vertical drill hole. So let this be the vertical drill hole, right? And in this drill hole, what they are recovered, the amount of thickness of the coal seam is, say, 15 meter. That is the vertical thickness, right? So this is what they given, and one more thing what they are given in the question is the dip of the formation, which is actually 30°. So this is what given in the question, and we have to solve this question with the given content, right? So what is actually the orthogonal thickness? As I mentioned earlier, orthogonal thickness is the thickness that is measured perpendicular to the bedding plane. So let this be the bedding plane, and that is the top end of the coal seam, and this is the bottom end of the coal seam. So this line is considered to be the true thickness or orthogonal thickness, right? Okay. So this is the orthogonal thickness, and if you connect these two lines, right, this form a right angle triangle. As the reason is that this is perpendicular to the bedding plane, and this is parallel to bedding plane. So this form a right angle triangle, right? So this is 30°. So this will also be 30°, right? So we have a right angle triangle with 1° and one known side. We have to find the other side, right? So we can use the sine cos tan relationship, and for this question we are going to use the cos theta relationship. As you know, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, right? So if this is the theta, this will be the adjacent side, which is called as the orthogonal thickness, and this is the hypotenuse side, which is the vertical thickness, right? So let us replace the data that we got already, that is cos 30 is equal to orthogonal thickness by vertical thickness, that is 15 meter, right? So let us keep the unknown right hand side and the known values in the right hand side. So what we will get is orthogonal thickness is equal to 15 into cos 30, and the value of cos 30 is 0.86. Just by multiplying this, what we will get is 13 meters. So the orthogonal thickness, or simply the true thickness of the formation, is 30. Is that clear? Okay, if you have a doubt, mention in the comment section. We'll try to clear it in the upcoming video. And there are so many questions just like this in our previous questions, say in 2023, 22, 21. Just try out all those questions, and if you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section. And there will be definitely one question in terms of the thickness calculation that I have seen from last 2011 or 12, or from 12, I think. True thickness or vertical thickness, or they will give the true thickness as well as the vertical thickness. We have to find the dip amount, like that, right? So try those questions, and if you have any doubt, mention it in the comment section. We will try to solve this in our video. Okay, thank you.